Congratulations! From now on, you can finally monetize your Blogspot blog using the global ad network HilltopAds and start earning real money. If you've been waiting for a reliable alternative to AdSense, you're in the right place, because today, I'll show you exactly how to set it all up step by step. Welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you how to create your very own website for free using Blogspot. To get started, just click on Create Your Blog. It's quick and easy. To get started, first select the account you'd like to use for creating your blog. To ensure it's really you, you'll be prompted to enter your password. After entering your password, simply click Next to continue and move forward with the setup process. Make sure to choose a unique name for your blog that perfectly aligns with your content category. Once you've got the perfect name, go ahead and add your domain. If the domain name you want is already taken, don't worry, just tweak it a little and move forward. Remember, your domain name should be easy to remember and relevant to your niche. Confirm your display name. This will appear on your blog. And that's it. Your Blogger account and domain have been successfully created. Your blog is now live, fully accessible on the internet, and visible to anyone around the world. To find an awesome template that fits your niche and blog style, head over to the Giabi Templates website. It's a great resource where you can browse through a wide variety of templates that are perfect for any type of blog. Simply scroll through the options and look for a responsive ad-friendly template that suits your needs. Once you find the template you like, go ahead and download it. Now, go ahead and locate the template file you just downloaded on your device. Once you've found it, proceed to extract the file so that you can access all the contents inside. This will allow you to start customizing and working with it to meet your needs. Next, head over to your Blogger dashboard. From there, navigate to the Theme tab. In the drop-down menu, click on Restore, then select the option to upload a template directly from your device. Locate the template file, select the .xml file, and upload it to apply your new design. The blog design is fully updated, and the layout has been completely revamped. Now, we're ready to take the next step. Let's copy the domain, monetize the blog with HilltopAds, and go through the verification process to start earning. Log into your HilltopAds account, then head to the Manage Site and Zone section. Once there, go to the Website tab and click Add Website. In the designated field, enter your blog's domain. Select your blog's niche. Is it mainstream or non-mainstream? Choose the one that best aligns with your content and audience. Whether you're targeting popular trends or niche topics, this decision will help you tailor your monetization strategy for the best results. To verify your website ownership, you have two options. First, download the provided file and upload it to the root directory of your site. Or second, add the given meta HTML tag to your blog's head section. I'm choosing the second option, adding the meta tag directly into my Blogger template. To complete the verification, go back to your Blogger dashboard, navigate to the Themes section, and click on Edit HTML. This is where you'll add the verification meta tag inside the head section of your blog's code. To make it easier, press Ctrl+F to open the search bar and type head to locate the head section of your template. Then, paste the meta tag just below it and click Save to apply the changes. Once you've successfully saved the changes, go back to your HilltopAds and click on Verify Website to confirm your ownership. And that's it, simple and done. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on placing the best ads that match your blog's niche. If you're a Blogger user, remember, the more traffic you bring to your site, the more you can earn. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.